happened in the previous cases. So if you are for each question 15 marks, some questions 10 minutes. Now this is based on minutes rather than marks. At the same time, the emphasis is on your speed level, the perfection, as well as how accurately you are showing the dimensions, precision and all the things. So whatever you have did so far this 1 month will reflect in this examination and how you are trying to improve it and where we need to improve you. All these things will come into this particular examination. And now let me show you the paper. Here is all the common branches. Trying to learn only which examination is prepared. Not so complicated. All are rectangles, lines and circles. But only thing is certain dimensions have got changed. The previous examination paper was like 60 millimeters, changed 50 to 60. This time it is 50 to 75. And to previously it was 12. Now it is changed to 10 to 15 millimeters. And so how you are going to change it? How you are going to create it? And as the question mentions very clearly, see the annotation mentions very clearly. Circles are equispaced. Equispaced for what? Are divided 4 into the line. Means from this point to this point. All the circles are equispaced. So some calculation work is needed. Some cases I have seen some students previously the errors which happened. See, this is only a center mark, not like a complete dashed line. Not like a complete dashed line. Okay? It is only a center mark reference. Ideally, if you can create this is simply a binary base. It will not take much time. So rest of the things are very clear. 20 is getting changed to 75, 10 is getting changed to 15. Circles diameters are there. This is 2x, diameter 2 into 4x. It is indicating what? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is indicating diameter 3, 4x. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for this entire body, this is this. The designer was given an activity by the manager 12 feet by 7 feet. Thickness is how much? Means this thickness and all you are using 3/4 inch thickness. Civil engineers, you want to use one measurement unit. You try to use one measurement unit. Mechanical engineers, like mostly you are familiar with millimeters. Try to convert everything in millimeters. Accordingly, you can do it. But finally, whatever the value is there, that has to reflect there. Right. See, generally there is no amara. The partitions inclined like this. Our partitions showing in different spaces like this. The whole intention is the first side it is 5 feet 3 centimeter. So 5 feet 3 centimeter. And how much is again the thickness? 3/4 inch thickness. Ideally 3/4 inch thickness is nothing but 19 mm. So here units are coming to the picture. So this is also trying to grab your conversions and understanding ability of units. So 5 feet 3 centimeter. What is the rest of the balance? 5 feet 3 centimeter is showing from what? From the outside to the inner side of the thickness of 3/4 inch thickness. So the measurement should be for inner side. How it is shown. Second side, once you create this, automatically you will get the partition for second side. You can create it. And second side only there are 2 partitions are there. The first side, how many partitions are there? 6 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are how are there? 6 partitions are equispaced. Understand? Triangles. This is carrying 15 minutes and 10 marks. Okay. Next. This one. Okay. Now this question. Please provide the number of quantity of a brick or assume a block for mechanical engineers. Where a 2D brick or block of size 2D brick or block. What is the size of this? 8 inch by 3 feet 5 inches. And what is the hole size? Where this has to fit in a particular area. 2438.4 millimeters and 3656 0.6 millimeters. So this block is in inches. You have to convert into common unit again. Just make a count. I already given one example in the last class. Students. So this is carrying hardly 10 minutes, right? It will not take much time, but because there is nothing else, only two rectangles are playing the game there. A small rectangle and a big rectangle. 10 minutes, 10 marks. So only thing you are giving me, what is the number of quantity? Next question. See, next question, little related to electrical, but however, it is common again. That is, now what this question says? This question says, see now here you are using scales. But see what you do, first only directly do not apply scales. You will feel lot of problem. Major of the students have stuck up here. Here ideally we are giving you 20 minutes of time. 20 minutes of time. See basically what is this? The sheet size is 297 by 420. A3 sheet size. Now here how many lights are there total? 32 lights are there. And so the sizes of rectangular one, where it is 32 white lights. The main step rectangle one of ceiling is 10 feet. For mechanical engineers to become it is easy, I have also mentioned in millimeters here. 3048 by 8 feet. The civil engineers 243.4 millimeters, which has 16 lines. Means the first one is having 16 number of lines. So here 4, here 5, here 5, 3 and 3. 5 and 5, 10, 3 and 3, 6, 16. In the first row. And this is a center line. Center line, that is separately I have not given any dimension for this. But how much is rectangle 1? The size is mentioned. How much is rectangle 2 size? Rectangle 2 size is region of 4.8 millimeter. Okay. Rectangle 2 is offset of region of 4.8 millimeters all around from rectangle 1. Only one rectangle size is given. Another one is simply make an offset. Half of that you are getting a center line. Okay. So again half of that you are getting a center line. So next one, how much you are again offsetting it? Rectangle 3. This one. Again an offset of region of 4.8. Simple. So rectangle, you are making offsets, you are getting it. Now, all around to give the clear result to the customer. Okay, fine. Now after having this, see here, again what you are doing certain calculation. Means, see from this point to this point, in this between, these trees are equispaced. From here to here, you are fixing this to 1, 2, 3, 4. These are equispaced. So your position, you are doing little calculation and you are doing it. Not that randomly you are placing it accordingly. This case also something right, so putting it, you are positioning accordingly. Or otherwise, for your more simplicity, if you create this, copy this space there. Simple. If you create this, copy this space there. Simple. And what is the size of this? It is already mentioned here. So, first to create with normal 1:1 only everything. First, try to create this. Colors also, actually outside and all I have given it red. But forget about colors, again you may take a little time. Next, what happens usually in electrical? See, when you see the false